Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming in. Everyone is welcome. Everyone is welcome. You guys, today we are doing my pantry. I'm so excited, you guys. This pantry pretty much was done with all Dollar Tree products. Okay, I want to come on and show you guys the difference. So I use both of these are rose gold. One of them is a metallic finish, which you can see, the metallic finish. And the other one is more of a, it says brilliant metal finish. So I do like it, but for what I'm doing, not so much. These pop a little more. So I think I'm going to go with this one, which is, as we can tell, is the metallic one. So I'm going to do this one over again. I did the primer beforehand, but I really don't think I needed the primer. I didn't have to prime at all. So, and now, don't ask me why the bottom of that is painted, because I didn't do it, and I don't know why he did it as well. But anyway, I'm gonna probably just go ahead. I'm not gonna, I don't know, maybe I'll try to cover it with the metallic and see how it looks. But this is a beautiful color, but definitely not needed for this project. This is more suitable for what I'm going for in the pantry. So I'm going to let them dry. I went back over this one with the metallic one, so it looks much better. And I'm only going to do one coat because I believe in being smart. I mean, this is going to go in the pantry. No one's really going to see this. So it's not that serious. I have other things that I need to do that needs to be painted, and I don't want to run out. Okay, so yeah, I think this looks just fine. These baskets I'm going to be using for snacks and different things like that, so you'll see all of that later on in the tutorial. Let's go ahead and get this pantry cleaned out, you guys. This is depressing, if I say so myself, just to look at this. So imagine with the doors on. This is with the doors off. So like, you know, I could find anything in this little small pantry with the doors on. And FYI, it's the weekend, you guys. I was trying on swimsuits earlier with the cover up, and I didn't take it off, and I ended up I was like, let's just get started. And I also am deep conditioning my hair. So just give me a break, okay, guys? I wanted to get this out to you guys, which is way more important than what I have on. I have tons and tons of stuff in this closet. Had no idea this much stuff was in here. I can't even believe this much stuff fitted in this small space. But it did. So anyway, yeah, let's get it all cleaned out. This is what we have left over, you guys. This is everything that was in the pantry. So what you want to do, you want to go through all of your items, check your expiration dates, get rid of anything that you do not need, anything that is, you know, that you can't use. So guys, here are the items that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. You guys, you can get everything you need from the Dollar Tree, unless you want to just get a little fancy. You know, you may have to do some adjustments, but everything you need, you can get it from the Dollar Tree. I do have this basket here, but this basket came from Home Goods, and it did come off the clearance rack. I did keep some of the baskets white, and because I want to mix the white with the metallic. So you guys, here you have it. We are about 95% finished. I love it. I love it. I didn't label. If you notice, I didn't write anything on the labels, only because I want to see how this works out. I don't know if, you know, certain things are going to stay in certain places. So guys, if you notice, I did organize the pantry in a way that my son Gavin can reach the items, but I can tell you now that that was a terrible idea, okay? This closet has gotten me as well as Gavin in trouble, okay? Because, honey, I know I've gained a few pounds since I organized this pantry. The snacks are like right there, like just come and get me. You know what I mean? So, oh my God, be careful with that. But anyway, I love the way it turned out. I love it. I absolutely love it. I didn't label anything because I don't know exactly what I want to be where. So just looking, going inside now, guys, taking a look at how I organized everything. That first is going to be miscellaneous, paper plates and aluminum foil and all that good stuff. And then, you know, I have the basket for the noodles, basket for lunch bags and Ziploc bags. I have the garbage bags. I have juices and fruit cups. I have the chips separated. We have Rice Krispie treats, Pop Tarts, Cheez-Its, Oreo cookies. The potato, I love this sack, you guys. I got this from IKEA. So yeah, guys, I absolutely love it. I even have a little space over here, guys, for my my strainers, my cake holder. I had some energy drinks down there, replace meals. I wanted to have that basket, you know, I wanted to have it accessible for Gavin so he can choose whatever drink he wants. So also, you guys, I added 2 lights also from the Dollar Tree. And they have a ton of lights you can choose from, you guys. I wanted the really big ones that you can just press to come on and off. But I put the light switches in here because that's what they had. Let you guys see how it looks when the lights are on and when the lights are off. Because sometimes, you know, when you come into the kitchen and it's late, you just want to, you know, turn the light on in the area that you need it. Not necessarily turn on all the lights in case you have guests over and now you got light shining in their faces. So I chose to go with putting 2 lights in here, which would make it easier for me if I needed to go in here throughout the night without turning on all the lights. And then I just thought it was cool. Thank you guys so much for coming and being a part of my family. If you are new here, please go ahead and join us because, again, everyone is welcome. I really hope you guys can get around to doing this for yourself. It is very therapeutic. Again, please check out my laundry video. I love you guys. Until the next time I see you, stay blessed. Peace, love, and happiness.